Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to create your own Coinbase wallet. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Coinbase wallet app. As you guys can see, I already have the app installed, so I'll just click on open. You'll then be sent over to the Coinbase wallet page. Here you need to click on create a new wallet. You'll then be sent over to a screen looking similar to this one. And if you would want to read the terms of service or their privacy policy, you can do that by clicking on it. Once you've read their terms of service and their privacy policy, you can click on accept. You'll then have to pick your username. And once you have found a username that's available, you can click on done, and you'll then have to set your privacy preferences. You can always change this later in settings, so for now I'll go with public. You can also see that public is recommended. And once you have selected the privacy preference, you can click on next. You'll then have to add an extra layer of security to keep your crypto safe. You can set up a passcode, but I will go with use Touch ID. You'll then see this loading screen. And the next thing you need to do is to back up your wallet. You'll get a secret recovery phrase. So what you need to do is to click on the checkbox in the bottom left and then click on backup now. You'll then see 12 words and you need to save your recovery phrase on a safe place. This can be on paper or in a note app. And once you have saved your manual backup, you can click on next. And you'll then have to fill in your backup words in the right order. And once you have completed your recovery phrase, you can click on done, and then your Coinbase wallet has been created. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.